So around 2022, when we went back home for COVID, I was advising around 60 undergrads, CS undergrads during that time. And I started noticing that the students were making interesting class enrollment decisions. So they would go out of their way to take certain professors or avoid taking certain other professors. Turns out that during COVID, students turned to the electronic word of mouth, such as social media and existing public or crowdsourced professor evaluation systems to get information about their professors. There was no way to verify that the data that was there was actually correct data, or if it was just actually legitimate data coming from other students. We discovered that there's a lot of misinformation out there. So we got to work. We decided to solve the problems, take matters in our own hands, and trying to present an alternative that not only students but also professors and academic institutions can actually trust for public professors' evaluations. Students can go on there and express their feelings about their professors and the different courses on a scale from 1 to 5 and standard text reviews. I have a from 1 to 5 color coding scale, and red being the lowest score and green is the highest score. Students can then, you're just looking at the app, you can rank departments by the highest rated departments, rank professors, rank courses, compare departments, compare courses, compare professors based on these numerical ratings and color codes. Professor Index actually verifies that the students are actual students at the university, and this way professors know for a fact that these ratings and reviews coming from actual students. And then we only allow students one review per professor per class. So students who have extreme opinions about whether like extremely positive or negative opinions about a professor or a course cannot manipulate the rating by leaving multiple reviews. So professors can learn in real time about how they're doing in class, and they can trust that data, and they can change their teaching techniques based on the input from students.